Hello, welcome back to Geraldine Associates YouTube channel. If this is your first time of joining us, this channel is all about natural skincare, tutorials and lifestyle. Today we will be learning how to make a stretch marks oil. All the ingredients are natural ingredients that can help build up skin cells, that helps for regeneration. Aloe vera gel, a very good hydration ingredient, and it also helps for regeneration of skin cells because that is what stretch marks basically requires. We are also making use of vitamin E oil and castor oil. These oils are rich in linoleic acid and they help to build up the skin and regenerate new skin cells. I'll be right back after this time out. So we go right into the preparation of the stretch marks oil. We'll be needing 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of castor oil. You can either use this or the one sold in pharmacy, whichever. As long as it is original castor oil, you're good to go. Then our final ingredient is vitamin E oil. Either you use the oil or you use the capsule as well. Then I'll mix all the ingredients together properly, thoroughly. This resulting mixture, here you are, it's ready for use. But you should know that you can store in a well-covered container to be used whenever you choose. But know that this stretch marks oil will not work very well in isolation. You know, I gave the 3 steps to clear stretch marks quickly. So you steam the affected area once or at most twice a week. Then you scrub daily. When trying to treat it, you scrub the affected part daily. You scrub it, then you apply whatever stretch marks moisturizer you choose to use. But this is our own version that contains vitamin E oil, castor oil and aloe vera gel. So you steam on the days you choose to steam. Don't make it more than twice per week, but your exfoliating can be on a daily basis. You exfoliate, then you now apply the stretch marks oil. Let me give an example. You apply it. Let me use my hand as an example. You massage it in round circular movements. Massage it in properly. Round circular movement. Round circular movements. You should also take note that stretch marks treatment should be used very well. You don't use it maybe once a day and you forget about it. It's allowed. You can apply it like 3 times. You keep applying. You apply it in excess. If there's anything like that, you apply, because the more you apply, the more it gets to do the job you want it to do, of clearing the stretch marks. You see, I've applied it, and if you noticed, it is not as shiny as it was when I started. So like the skin has absorbed it. So this is what you should continue, like 3 times daily. You apply in the morning, you apply again in the afternoon, and at evening, at night, you also apply again. The more you apply, the more frequently you apply, it helps it to even fade faster. But remember, you can't use the oil in isolation. You have to ensure your steaming and exfoliating game is also tops. That way, when you follow those 3 steps, judiciously, then you can be sure that before you know it, your stretch marks will be all gone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am sure you got value. Do not hesitate to give the video a thumbs up and share it to your friends as well, that it will be beneficial to. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you always get to know once I have new content. Do you have issues with acne? Have you been struggling? You've used so many products to no avail. Has your self-esteem been affected that you cannot even go out anymore without wearing makeup? I got you covered, because I put together a book, the Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne. This book talks about the different types of acne, the causes, what your body is actually saying, the language your body is actually speaking each time you have acne breakouts on whatever part of your body, either on your chin, your cheeks, your forehead. Your body could be saying it needs hydration, that means it is dehydrated. That probably due to an increase of hormones, maybe close to your menstrual cycle. It explains what your body says whenever there is an acne breakout on your skin. Then it also talks about the foods you should steer clear of if you have an oily or acne prone skin, what predisposes your skin to having acne, and the foods that can also help you maintain a beautiful complexion devoid of breakouts. The steps, that's a regimen you can create to help you maintain a beautiful complexion. To get your own copy of the Acne Handbook, there's a link on the screen of this video and also in the description. Click on it to place your own order and get your own Acne Handbook. I'll be waiting for you in the comments for a feedback and your questions after you must have tried this recipe or read the book. Whatever questions you have, I'll be waiting to respond to all of them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Cheers.